Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, that generation from year 2015 to year 2023. If you have one of those, you need to find where the SYNC fuse is located, guys, which fuse you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So now, guys, we'll be working, okay, you actually have two different fuse boxes. We'll demonstrate on a 2018 Ford Mustang GT, but even if you have a different engine, it will work as well. So let me show you what we have here specifically. The main engine fuse box is right here, but today, guys, we don't need this one. We need the fuse box that's located on the inside, and that's located on the passenger side. If you open, guys, okay, the passenger door right here, you come inside, and you come right here in the footwell on that kick panel. If you grab that fuse box cover, okay, that cover right there, just pull, there is one clip, okay, and then you slide it up. Okay, let me show you now. This is the clip that you need to pull on the front. You pull it out and then you slide it up, because you can see how those things are here. And you're going to get to the fuses right there. Now I'm going to take one picture and we're going to show you on the computer so you can see everything with a great detail. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here, guys, we took a picture of the interior of the fuse box, that what it looks like. That's the bottom, that's the top, that's the front of the Ford Mustang, the front right here, that's the rear. Now, guys, if you zoom in, you will notice that you have the fuse number upside down, 28, 29, 30. That's how they will be, guys, upside down. But if you look right here, the fuse that we'll need to check for the SYNC is fuse number 32. We're talking about that 10M fuse here that you will need to check. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.